Welcome to another Ziva Math video. In this video, we are going to teach you how to solve long division problems with remainders. There are 4 steps for solving long division problems. You divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. If you bring a number down, then you repeat the steps. When you have no numbers left in the dividend to bring down, you have a remainder. Let's take a look at some examples. In this example, we have 580 divided by 3. And our first step is to divide. We're going to divide 5 by 3. 5 divided by 3 is 1. Notice that I've lined the 1 up right above the 5 because that's what I've just divided. And our next step is to multiply, and we'll be multiplying 1 times 3. 1 times 3 is 3, and now we're ready to subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. My next step is to bring a number down, so I'm going to go to the next number in the dividend, the 8, and I need to bring the 8 straight down. And because I brought a number down, I'm back at the divide step. I'm going to be dividing 28 by 3. 28 divided by 3 is 9. Notice I'm lining the 9 up directly above the 8, as the 8 was the number I just brought down. And now I'm ready to multiply. I'm multiplying 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. And then my next step is to subtract. 28 minus 27 is 1. And notice even when I did my multiplication and subtraction steps, I had everything lined up so that my subtraction was easier because I had the digits lined up so I knew exactly what I needed to subtract. Now we're at bring down. So we're looking at the next number in our dividend, the 0, and that 0 needs to come straight down. And because I brought a number down, I'm back at the divide step, and I'm going to be dividing 10 by 3. 10 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. And now I'm back at the bring down step, and I have no numbers left to bring down here, which means this 1 is now my remainder. And we're going to show it with our quotient as R1, remainder 1. 580 divided by 3 is 193, remainder 1. This example is 174 divided by 4. And the first step in our division problems is to divide. I'm going to look at the first digit in my dividend, the 1. So I'll have 1 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4 is 0. So I'm going to need to look at the first 2 digits in my dividend. 17 divided by 4 is 4. I'm going to place the 4 above the 7 because I did 17 divided by 4. Now it's time to multiply. 4 times 4 is 16. Then I'll subtract. 17 minus 16 is 1. Then my next step is to bring down. If there's a number remaining in the dividend, I need to bring it down. Well, the 4 is still in my dividend, so I need to bring the 4 straight down. Then, because I brought a number down, I have to go back and divide. I'm dividing 14 by 4 this time. 14 divided by 4 is 3. Then the next step is to multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. Then I subtract. 14 minus 12 is 2. And then the next step is to bring down. Well, I don't have anything left here in the dividend to bring down, so this 2 becomes my remainder, and I show my remainder with my quotient using R for remainder. 174 divided by 4 is 43, remainder 2. This example is 357 divided by 6. And our first step is to divide. We'll look at the first digit of our dividend, the 3. 3 divided by 6 is 0. So I actually need to consider the first 2 digits, the 35. So we'll have 35 divided by 6. And if you're not as comfortable with your 6 facts, I highly recommend making a column of your multiples of 6. So that first multiple is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 6 more is 12. plus 6 more is 18, plus 6 is 24, plus 6 is 30, plus 6 is 36, and 36 is bigger than 35, so we've gone far enough. We don't need to list our multiples any further for this problem. We have 35 divided by 6, and so 6 goes into 35 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And that 5 I'm going to place above the 5 in 35 because it was 35 that I divided by 6. Now we need to multiply. 5 times 6 is 30. This is another place where having that list of multiples helps you out because you already have 5 times 6 in that list. And after we multiply, then we subtract. 35 minus 30 is 5. Then if there's still digits left in our dividend, we need to bring a number down. And we have the 7 still in our dividend, so we're going to bring the 7 straight down. So now I'm back to my division step, and I'm dividing 57 by 6. So if I go back to my list of multiples, we stopped at 36 because that was all that we needed for the first step. But now I need to continue that list. So 36 plus 6 is 42, plus 6 more is 48. 48 plus 6 is 54. And that's where I can stop because if I add another 6, that's going to be larger than 57, so that's as far as I need to go. So 57 divided by 6, 6 goes into 57 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Then I'll need to multiply. Well, 9 times 6 is 54. After that, we subtract. 57 minus 54 is 3. And my next step in the division process is to bring a number down, but I don't have any numbers left in my dividend to bring down, so that 3 is going to become my remainder. I'm going to show it with the R for remainder. So 357 divided by 6 is 59, remainder 3. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Ziva Math for more videos.